yesterday we talked about a letter. We introduced a new letter. Taryn, can you tell me what letter we talked about yesterday? H. Well, today we're going to talk a little more about the letter H, and we're going to watch a short video to introduce the letter and get you some more ideas about the letter. Then we're going to do a circle map with the letter H. And lastly, you're going to do an activity doing the Foursquare, where you're going to draw and label different words that start with the letter H. So we're going to start with our small video. So here it is. Need everyone paying attention.
The time is here to say hello to the letter H. Say hi, say hey.
So now we're going to add some more words to our circle map that we were working on earlier. And we're going to think of some different words that start with the letter H. Taryn, can you tell me what sound H makes? Very good. Okay, let's see. Jermichael, can you tell me a word that starts with the letter H? Sierra, can you help him? Horse. Very good. So we're going to write the word horse. Okay, let's see. Markayla, can you tell me a word that starts with the letter H?
Hair.
Hair. That's a good one we haven't talked about. Okay, let's see who else. Jemiah, can you tell me a word that starts with the letter H? Madison, can you help her out? Helicopter. Okay, Kiara, you got one? What's one?
Hamster.
Hamster. Okay, we're going to do a couple more and then we're going to move on to our next activity. Roderio, you got one? High chair. Remember you talked about high chair earlier, so we already have it on here. Khalik, you got one?
Hat.
Hat. Good job. Okay, let's see. One more. Jayciana? Hot. That is a good. Okay, so now we have some words on here that we can write on our Foursquare, and we're going to go to our tables and draw these pictures of different words. So if you wanted to, you could draw a heart, or you could draw a hamster, you could draw a hat, but everybody can draw something different. You're going to draw 3 things that start with the letter H, and then we're going to label them, okay? So I want you to quietly stand up and walk to your tables. Everybody has their sheet already on their desk. Write your name on your paper first. Everybody write your name on your paper first. And then I'll move this over here where you can see it better. And if you think of something else besides what we've already put on our circle map, you can also write that or draw that. Yes, Markayla? Just keep working and I'll help you. Okay, Roderio, remember when we're at our desk, we don't talk. Jermichael. Here's also some pictures of a horse, a hat, a hot dog, and a high chair that can help you. Okay, we'll keep going. Remember, we're going to try to label them the best we can. You can use your crayons. Good job, Madison. What's that? Which one's that? You thinking about it, Karen? What's that? Jayciana just thought of a new one. Hand. We didn't put that on our circle map. That's something that you could draw. Hot sauce. You could draw hot sauce. Just try your very best to draw a hand if you don't know how. If your hand's too big to put in there. What? Heater. That is a good one. You can draw a heater. Remember, we also talked about, we have 2 people in our classroom that have the last name that starts with the letter H. Amari is one of them, and who else? Raise your hand if your last name starts with the letter H. Yes, it does. When it's finishing up, I'm going to call on some people to come to the front of the class and report to the class what you have drawn that start with the letter H. And make sure you do trace the words at the bottom that says, I know the sound, okay? Yes, ma'am. Okay, I want Malaysia to come up to the front of the class and tell us what she drew. I need everyone paying attention and being very quiet. So what you draw, Malaysia? It's got a hat, a hand,